Hi! Welcome to EEP Online Store, your one-stop platform for elevator parts procurement. At EEP Online Store, you can purchase a wide range of common elevator and escalator parts online, from small components like door rollers, door sliders, and buttons, to larger parts such as traction sheaves, brakes, and steel belts. Our advantage lies not only in competitive pricing, but also in worldwide delivery within 4-7 business days. We also run surprise discounts and limited time promotions with unexpectedly great prices. Make sure to check our homepage regularly so you don't miss out on the best deals. Placing an order is simple. Search for the product you need by brand, model, or size. Add to cart, fill in your details. Choose payment method, insert the coupon code if you have one, and place your order successfully. Beyond elevator spare parts, we also provide elevator or escalator modernization solutions. A full range of lifting equipment such as passenger elevators, hospital elevators, mechanical escalators and moving walks, and various types of disabled platform lifts. Get a quote in as fast as 30 minutes after providing basic info. Have any questions? Click the chat icon at the bottom right to contact our staff in real time. Our support team provides multilingual service in English, Spanish, and German. Echo Elevator Parts remains committed to providing professional service and high-quality elevator parts to customers worldwide.